everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my bridal trial makeup tutorial. I know I look a little crazy right now, but we're fixing to get started on this. I have somewhere to be, so I'm trying to film this really fast. But yeah, I'm going to try to do 3 of these videos. I'm going to do a lighter look, a medium look, and a darker look. So hopefully they'll turn out okay, and I'll pick which one I like from there. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of the kaleigh.m.mangrum family. And then also too, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up after it and let me know if you like this look, so I can know if it's a yay or nay for wedding look. So yeah, anyways, if that's all I have to say, I think that's all I have to say. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, I'm not sure this is going to be my foundation for this routine, but we're just going to go ahead and start with it. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Veil Hourglass primer, and I'm just going to rub this on my face. Y'all, it's been an interesting afternoon. It's Saturday, and of course it's football day. Okay, so now I'm going to mix my MAC Studio Fix Plus with the Hourglass Stick Foundation, and this is in the shade Nude, but it's really yellow. I'm trying to stay away from my eyeball. And then my Studio MAC, if it'll come out, in the shade NW20. I'm going to go in with the Born With This Way concealer. Wow, my hair. Please ignore my hair. I'm going to fix it after this video. Okay. I'm going to... there. I'm going to set it with my Coty Airspun. I'm actually going to bake underneath my eyes though right now because I don't need to fall down right now or fall out. Alright, so now that you're a little closer, I'm going to use my Tartelette In Bloom palette, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade right here. It's called Smarty Pants. I'm going to take the Norvina palette, and I'm actually going to take the shade Dreamer right here. I'm going to take the color Passion out of the Norvina palette also. I'm going to put on my outer corner, because I like a little bit of color, like, in, because I can't. Guys, like, okay, so the reason why I want to have some color is because my wedding colors are, what can I think? Wine and kind of a mix between navy blue and cobalt blue, and I kind of like that pizzazz of like having more, or like tying my eye into the look, you know. So that's why. I'm actually gonna go back in with Dreamer from that Norvina palette, and I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray. There we go. I'm gonna go throw on some lashes and probably my brows, and I will be right back. Bronze my face with the Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna use the middle shade right here. Why did I say bronze? Contour. I'm pretty sure this is not the blush I'm going to use, but I'm going to go in with MAC Gentle and I can find a blush brush. Okay. It's just a little bit darker, so I want it more of a falling color than my other one. But this one has a shimmer to it. And then I'm going to go in with Becca Opal, and this is like a sample that I got because I broke my other one. I'm not going to go too intense since it, hello, bride. I'm actually not going to go in with a black eyeliner. I'm going to take a brown one, and this is in Stila Espresso. It is pretty dark though, so it looks black. I'm going to go back into Anastasia, and then I'm just going to probably mix Passion and Incense together because I don't want it too dark. And lastly is mascara. I'm actually just going to use regular today. I'm not going to use waterproof the day of, like I would the day of. Wait, $5. You can hear Ian's music right now. He's waiting on me. And for lip shade, I'm going to go in with color Syrup just because it's such a pretty pinky nude. Okay, you guys, this is the final look for my bridal tutorial. I'm actually really a fan of this. I kind of might go with it. I actually really like this. So, and I hope you guys like it, and I think it's really pretty for makeup. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm just like can't stop looking at my skin right now. So but anyways, let me know what you think. Comment down below if you like this for my bridal look, and give it a big thumbs up if you do like it. I saw that thumbs down from someone. I don't know who it was from, but it's fine. We're moving on from it because love and light to that person. Love and light. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the I just bumped my table. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I have to leave and go hang out with my fiance and his friends from work, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video, and turn on your notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. And so yeah, I think that's it, and I will see you guys hopefully in my next video. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Love you guys. Bye.